Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this bucky video, I'm going to show you Bootstrap 3 to Bootstrap 5 admin dashboard version demo as well. So friends, before showing you bucket demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And friends, also if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my wonderful blog, therichpost.com, contact us page, my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me as well. And also, let me show you the story behind this. So guys, I have one client, the Vtiger, and one more OJS. They both have the admin dashboard in Bootstrap 3 in Vtiger and OJS, and they come to me to convert the admin to Bootstrap 5, and I did it, and they very happy. And but because of NDO, I cannot show their dashboard and my work as well. But I have done the one basic demo for you, how the old and new looks. And see friends, this is the demo in Bootstrap 3, very basic and very old school. See, and now I will show you the Bootstrap 5 demo, the latest, professional and fully responsible one. See friends, same in Bootstrap 5. See, my clients came with this kind of dashboard, and I have made this kind of dashboard, and they are happy, and again they give me more work related this. And after that, I have more clients as well to convert Bootstrap 3 admin to Bootstrap 5. My friends, after this, I will come with more demo as well. And if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm always available. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.